CreativeSarah, and I am here to make a really cool project for you. It's going to be these really cute reused dollar store finds, these cute little houses that I found in different shapes and sizes, and we are going to make a fun piece for your mantle or a shelf or something really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and take you down to the surface here so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put together 4 of these, and I have pulled some really cool reusable silk screen transfers for you. These are called monograms, and they are you can get every letter of the alphabet in this great font. If you want to know, they're about 4 inches tall, and they're pretty skinny, which is awesome. So like 2 inches, honestly, is about the max width. So this is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and do each one of these separately. Let me move those over and just kind of focus on our H for now. What I like to do is, on the backer sheet, I like to write the word back, and then after I wash it, what I do is I basically wash it, dry it, and then stick it back on that backer sheet. So very cool, very fun. All right, so let's get moving. Now, what I'm going to do with my little sticky sheet here, I got something on already. I'm going to fuzz this. So we have these awesome fuzzing towels you guys know about, maybe you don't, and I'm just gonna fuzz it a couple times to get that so it's not super duper sticky. And I'm gonna place it inside of the house and just kind of press it down. There you go. Kind of midway between top and bottom, because of course we're going to add a little detail, decor to this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see, I think I'm going to use just some black chalk paste. So let me get that out for you really quickly. I don't know what happened to my black. Oh my goodness. Oh, here it is. For a minute, I was like crazy. All right, so this is our creamy dreamy chalk paste. I'm just gonna set that down there for a minute. And I'm gonna use a mini squeegee. I'm just gonna pick up some of that chalk paste and spread it across the silk screen areas of this transfer. So it's really pretty easy. You use the squeegee to squeegee all that paste. Smooth it, remove the extra, put it back in the container, and then we're going to peel and reveal. So you're going to grab the end and just start peeling up. That is wet, so you want to kind of peel slowly. Pull straight up, and there we have our H. Awesome, that's wet. So we're gonna wash off our transfer real quick. I just have the transfers in a little bath of water, and I wipe it with our board eraser. Gets that nice and cleaned off. So we did our O. Now we're gonna do our H. We did our H. Now I'm gonna do our O. Sometimes I can't talk. So I've decided that I completely forgot what we're doing. And since we're doing letters, I'm gonna write the letter on the back here. So this is gonna be O. And I don't have to write the word back if I don't want to. So let's go ahead and fuzz this one a little bit. I hope everybody is doing well today. I just want you to know that I'm thinking of you while I am on the beach in Maui. That is where I am. That's why you're seeing a pre-recorded video. I usually go live 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. My schedule's posted on Facebook and YouTube. So I'm trying to see, I'm going to have to move this one up a little bit so that it kind of lines up with that height. There, that's a little better. Okay, same thing. We're going to get some of our black velvet chalk paste. All of the supplies for this particular project, aside from the houses, because we don't sell these houses. I found these. But all the other things, the transfers and the chalk paste and the squeegee, can be found on my online shop, which is really easy to find, chalkcouture.com/CreativeSarah, or you can find links. You can find links all over my business page. In the you can go to CreativeSarah.com. All those places you can find all of the supplies. Okay, let's move on to our M. I'm gonna write the M. I'm just gonna, since I have my pen out, I'm just gonna label these other letters. And we'll go ahead and fuzz our M. We'll get that done. Peel, there we go. My goodness. All right, the M is ready. Now, let me see if this can even be lined up. I think we're going to put it way up at the top as best we can. To kind of get it lined up. There we go. That should be pretty decent. So, black velvet chalk paste to the rescue. I think this is going to be super cute when it's all done and I have it all together. Okay. There we go. Smooth and remove. Now, I'm going to carefully and slowly peel this up. Awesome. Wash this transfer real quick. Awesome. There we go. Okay. So we've got all of this cleaned. And one more little house letter to go. Okay. So again, these are the new monogram letters that we came out with in February with our spring summer catalog, and you can grab those from the website. They're all A size, so they're $9.99. And all right, let's see if I can line this up kind of to be kind of at the same spot as this one is. My fingers are frozen because the water is cold where I've been washing my transfers. Oh my goodness. All right, that looks pretty good from here anyway. There we go. I love our creamy dreamy chalk paste. It is just really doing a fabulous job here. Okay, so I'm going to be done with this. Pop it into the water. And I'm going to peel and reveal. Awesome. Now, this is the last one. We're going to clean this off really quickly. And then I will assemble the whole project. Be kind of awesome. All right, here we go. Let's get this put together. I will stack these up over here. Now, I've got my hot glue, and I need to make sure it's all in the right spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue these together. So I'm going to take the short side, and I'm going to put glue on there. I'm going to line it up at the bottom. There we go. Okay, so then this is going to be the short side. So now I'm going to take this side and put the glue on. And I'm just going to push it up. So we're just like gluing this together. And now this will be the short side here. Oh, I ran out of glue. I kid you not. Right in the middle. That's not cool. Throw a little glue in there. Okay. There we go. We've got our glue now. There. Just press it together. Okay, so we have our home. The words going across. Obviously, it's a little janky because this is shorter, but you get the picture. It spells it out. I'm just going to dry this chalk paste real quick. And then we're going to make some embellishments on here. So let's see. I am going to use this fun, okay. Oh, I guess I need some scissors. Okay. I think right about here is where I'm gonna call it. We're gonna go right about there, and we can drop this down a little. That looks good. And we're just gonna use some real neutrals here and do kind of a messy bow with some neutral colored. We've got that. Got that. And we'll do some white here. There's a little bit of white. All sorts of funness. It's all in the embellishing, right? Or at least it is for me. How about we do a little bit more with our black and white? We'll do this one. I got a little like houndstooth, which will kind of be cool to throw in there. All right, so we've got our black and our white and our neutrals. This is going to be cute. So we're just going to kind of layer this up the way it is, and I'm going to pull this tight, okay, and just kind of tie this around it, pull it really tight, and then we're going to do a double knot. And then I will trim the edges of this and just kind of peel these layers out every which way so that it kind of fluffs it up a little. So that's really cool. And then I'm going to do a little dab of, there you go. All right, so this is, look how cute this is. Let me lift this up a little so it's even. So cute. And let me go ahead and show you in person, right up close. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, so easy. Dollar, 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 dollar. You got your letters and a little embellishment. So easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If at any time you're curious or you haven't joined our Chalk Club yet, type club in the comments so I can get you that information, okay? And if you are not inside my free group, I would love it if you would type add me in the comments and I will get you that link so you can join. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. And the last thing I want to tell you about is if you're curious about becoming a designer like me and creating money, well, I guess you are creating money. Being creative and making money at the same time, type team in the comments and I will send you a link to my opportunity group where you can watch a video. So here's the deal. I'm on vacation this week. I'm in Maui. And I earned that trip completely free from Chalk Couture. So if you're curious about how you can earn a free trip, type team in the comments. I thank you all so much for watching this cute little video, making this cute project, and I hope you guys have a fabulous evening, and I will see you tomorrow, or the next time I'm live, or the next time I have a video. Thanks, guys.